I'm working on a GMC Sierra. We'll turn it on. And the temperature gauge is at 160. AC is off. Okay, the AC is off. This fan should not be going. I didn't turn it on. It's still going. Eventually we'll shut off, but definitely drain on the battery. I'm pretty sure the culprit is the temp sensor and the thermostat. So that's what we're gonna go after. This is the 8, and you gotta squeeze these things, squeeze up on this side, and then this one squeeze it down. So you push these and pull these off. Get this out of the way. So here's your temp sensor, and the thermostat is underneath this. So first thing we're gonna do is unplug the temp sensor. All right, so now we're in this place. We're just gonna use some pliers and squeeze that. Take that upper radiator hose off. This hose has another little clamp on it. Use needle nose pliers to take this one off, pull that off. It's got 3 10s, and this is a 19. You can tell it's starting to leak a little bit out of the catch pan underneath. So 19. All right, and then here's a temp sensor part number. It's from the dealer. And there is the new one. And then this is also from the dealer, thermostat housing. I've had my aftermarket ones just leak like out of the plastic, so I gave up on the aftermarket ones. You pay a little bit more at the dealership, but when you put it on, you don't have to worry about your customers calling you back 2 days from now asking you why the car's leaking at 10 o'clock at night. So here's a new one. Made in good old Mexico. The surface is pretty clean. Normally I would clean this, but
clear all engine codes prior to starting vehicle.
Let's pretty much do this, do that. I'm gonna put this hose back on, put the clamps on it, and then we'll refill it and then test it. I'll be back.